Hey, I'm Javon, and this is Nick with Stancecraft.
We Eaton is our SC7 wide-body Corvette conversion project that we completed for Robert and Vicky Tankersley.
They were looking for something super clean and simple that would really stand out from the crowd.
After bouncing ideas around, this is what we came up with for We Eaton.
Vicky wanted a subtle layer of pearl worked into the paint, while Robert wanted to retain the white-on-white color combo as much as possible. Also on Robert's wish list was a set of custom wheels to make the car pop. He had a very specific look in mind.
To achieve this, we went to Core Wheels in Miami, Florida for a new design. After a few renderings, Core nailed it.
They created a custom 3-piece white wheel with black contrasting lines.
As the only factory OEM wide-body fit on the market, we're able to provide a whole new look, enhancing the factory lines without bolt-on or stick-on fender flares.
Every part of our 13-piece kit is designed and manufactured at our state-of-the-art facility here in Dallas, Texas.
We only focus on one project at a time, so to get on our schedule, call us at 972-810-1314 or visit our website at stancecraftusa.com.